Lesson number 3. How many squares? Children, you have to do a small activity. You are given a dotted sheet. A red square is drawn in it. You have to measure the sides of the red square by a scale. Then you have to draw as many rectangles as possible using only 12 such squares in this dotted sheet. Then find out how many rectangles could you make. When we measure the sides of a red square with scale, we get the length of each side of the square as 1 centimeter. The following figure shows total 7 rectangles only can be made of 12 such squares. You can see that each rectangle is made out of 12 equal squares. So, all these 7 rectangles have the same area. Now, we will find the perimeter of each rectangle. Total 7 rectangles are drawn. Perimeter is the length of the boundary or outside of a shape. Now, let us consider rectangle 1. We know that rectangle 1 is made up of 12 squares. So, the length of rectangle 1 is 12 centimeters and breadth is 1 centimeter. So, perimeter of rectangle 1 will be 12 plus 1 plus 12 plus 1. That is the length of the boundary of a rectangle. That is 26 centimeters. Since perimeter is a length, it is measured in centimeters. Rectangle 2 is same as rectangle 1. So, the perimeter of rectangle 2 will also be 26 centimeters. Now, let us consider rectangle 3. Length of rectangle 3 is 3 centimeters and breadth is 4 centimeters. So, the perimeter of rectangle 3 is 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4 is 14 centimeters. Rectangle 4, 5 and 6 are same as rectangle 3. So, the perimeter of rectangle 4, 5 and 6 also will be 14 centimeters. Now, let us consider rectangle 7. The length of rectangle 7 is 2 centimeters and the breadth is 6 centimeters. So, the perimeter of rectangle 7 will be 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 6 is 16 centimeters. Now, which of these rectangles has the longest perimeter? We can see that rectangle 1 and rectangle 2 has perimeter of 26, which is the largest number. So, rectangles 1 and 2 has the longest perimeter. Now next question. Which of these rectangles has the smallest perimeter? we can see that perimeter of rectangle 3, 4, 5 and 6 is the smallest, that is 14 centimeters. So rectangles 3, 4, 5 and 6 has the smallest perimeter. Now over to page 35, measure stems. 6 stems are given on a square grid. A. How many squares of 1 centimeter side does stamp A cover? So this is stamp A. So let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So stamp A covers total 18 squares. Now stamp B. This is stamp B. Now let us count the number of squares stamp B covers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 squares stamp B covers. Similarly, stamp C covers 6 squares. Stamp D covers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 squares. Stamp E covers 4 squares. Stamp F covers 12 squares. Now B. Which stamp has the biggest area? From the above, you can see that stamp A has the biggest area, about 18 squares. How many squares of side 1 centimeter does this stamp cover? Answer is 18 squares. Next one, how much is the area of the biggest stamp? Area is the space occupied by a stamp. And we have seen that the space occupied by the biggest stamp, that is stamp A, is 18 and unit of area is square centimeter. So answer is 18 square centimeters. C. Which two stamps have the same area? As we have seen in previous slide, that stamp D and stamp F have the same areas. How much is the area of each of these stamps? Stamp D and stamp F's area is 12 square centimeters. The area of the smallest stamp is 4 square centimeters and that is of stamp E. Now the difference between the area of the smallest and the biggest stamp is, we already know that smallest stamp is stamp E, which has the area of 4 square centimeter, and the biggest stamp is stamp A, which has the area of 18 square centimeters. So 18 square centimeters minus 4 square centimeters gives us 14 square centimeters. We have already seen the difference between perimeter and area. What is perimeter? A perimeter is the length of the boundary or outside of a shape. What is area? Space occupied by a flat shape is called an area. A rectangle is given made up of 12 squares. First, we will find the perimeter of this rectangle. Length of the rectangle is 6 centimeters and breadth is 2 centimeters. So, perimeter is 6 plus 2 plus 6 plus 2, that is 14 centimeters. Now, we will find the area of this rectangle. Since this rectangle is made up of 12 squares, so the area of this rectangle is 12 square centimeters. Thank you. Hope to meet you in next session now.